We are one step closer to a verdict in the criminal trial against Pierce County Sheriff Ed Troyer. The defense rested its case after a very late start to today's testimony. Troyer's charged with 2 misdemeanor counts, including false reporting for an incident back in January of 2021. Fox 13's Frankie Thompson joins us now with the new developments in this case. So, Frankie, what do you know?
It was 2 this afternoon when the jury was brought into the courtroom to hear Sheriff Ed Troyer's testimony. For most of the day, though, there was a lot of back and forth about the sheriff's character, the state questioning if his testimony on Thursday was truthful.
Please raise your right hand to be sworn.
In his own defense, Pierce County Sheriff Ed Troyer began his testimony on December 8th in the criminal trial against him.
I was looking forward to talking to a jury and telling the facts of what happened.
In part of his testimony that day, Troyer tells the defense he hasn't had complaints against him throughout his career in law enforcement.
38 years, and I don't have a single complaint of lying, racism, assault, use of force, sexual discrimination, or otherwise, not even a report filed, let alone non-confirmed report or investigated. Never even had one filed.
After his testimony, state prosecutors say they received an email that night claiming Troyer had 10 complaints against him by the year 2015. One of the alleged claims was for harassment, with Troyer accused of threatening to call someone's employer and potentially lose their job. Today, without the jury present, prosecutors questioned the sheriff's character.
It's just allowing the state to rebut the evidence, the sweeping claims of his good character.
After Troyer was shown a printed copy of the emails,
I've never seen it before.
the defense argued the complaints listed are not relevant to this trial, further stating there's no evidence to support the emails and none of it has been authenticated.
I also just want to ask one more time that we be allowed to know who sent this to the prosecutors, because we need to be able to authenticate it.
Judge Jeffrey Yons granted part of the state's motion to question Troyer about his character during cross-examination, but says they cannot ask about the emails specifically.
State prosecutors cross-examined Troyer about that alleged harassment incident in 2015. Troyer says he did not threaten the individual, but he says he did tell that person that he would notify their boss of their encounter. The defense rests and court is in recess until tomorrow. Reporting in Tacoma, Frankie Thompson, Fox 13 News.